Find the determinant of 1, 2, 3 to 9. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 because we have 3 columns and rows, right? Now we are going to, there's a sign, there are signs on it. If you don't know 2 by 2, you don't have any issue here. Let's run through a little 2 by 2. 2 by 2, let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This here is a 2 by 2 matrix, right? Now you have to do this, multiply here, then multiply here. You have to multiply the first diagonal first before you do the second one. And there's a sign here, minus sign. It's always there. It's not written, but you have to know that it is there. 1 times 4 here is 4, minus in the middle, 3 times 2, 6. Answer is minus 2. So in case you see any 2 by 2 matrix, let's see another one. Minus 1, 8, 4, minus 5. Minus 1 times minus 5, that is plus 5. Minus, don't forget, 4 times 8, 32. 5 minus 32, minus 27. Do you get it? Very simple, right? Let's do one more. Let's see what all of them should be minus. Say we have minus 5, minus 6, minus 10, minus 8. They all have minus. Multiply, that is 40. Minus, multiply, that is 60. In this case, they don't have minus anymore because minus times minus is plus, minus times minus is also plus, but the minus that is here, look at this minuses, that's why it's minus here. 40 minus 60, that is minus 20. So we have, now to get this out, you have to break it down, right? So there are signs on it, plus, minus, plus. You can try to sign all of them. There are different ways you can do this, right? So to bring it out, you are going to use this plus for this one, minus for this 2, plus for this 3, right? So we have plus 1. You are going to bring out the minus, minor, M-I-N-O-R, minus of 1. That means all the lines that there is 1. There is 1 here, there is 1 here. There is 1 here, there is 1 here. Whatever is remaining, you write it out. That means here we have 5, 6, 8, 9. 1 is here, 1 is here. Whatever is remaining, write it out. Do you get it? Very easy. Now to get the minus 2, the lines of minus 2, there is 2 here, there is 2 here. Whatever is remaining, 4, 6, 7, 9. Those are the minus of 2. And for the last one, we have plus 3 into. Alright, pause this video and tell us what is going to be in the plus 3. Alright, plus 3. There's 3 here, there's 3 here. So whatever is remaining, this 4, 5, 7, 8. I guess the answer is 0. Now, we are going to do this the way we did the 2 by 2. That means we have plus 1 into 5 times 9, 45 minus 48. Minus 2 into 4 times 9, 36 minus 42. Plus 3 into what? 32 minus 35, right? Plus 1 into 45 minus 48 minus 3. Minus 2 into 36 minus 42 minus 6. Plus 3 into what? Minus 3. 1 times minus 3, minus 3, minus 2 times minus 6, plus 12. 3 times minus 3, minus 9. And this is 0. You could contest it. Minus 3 minus 9, that's minus 12. Minus 12 plus 12, 0. Minus 3 plus 12, that's 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 12 minus 9, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Anywhere is 0.